Hi, Dr. Quain. This summer I'll be doing my internship at my family's bakery. The bakery is called Farazan Bakery. Is located on Long Beach Island. The bakery is seasonal due to the fact that LBI is a ghost town in the winter. So we are open from May to October and our hours are 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. I've been working at the bakery all my life, and by now I know how to do everything there is to do there. I guess you can say my official title is back of the house or bakery operations manager. I do the important stuff like inventory, scheduling, call the supplier for our orders, but then I also make donuts, work the grill area for lunch, make sure all the donuts are decorated and ready for the store, and wash pans and sweep. These are some images of the front of the store. As you can see, our menu and stuff we sell are on a sign in the top right. Right when the customer walks in, they can see all the donuts, cookies, bread, cakes, and other baked goods that we sell. We don't only sell baked goods though. On the menu you can see that we sell breakfast sandwiches, Italian subs, burgers, cheesesteaks, grilled chickens, fries, etc. So as you can tell, we're a little more than just your classic bakery. These are some more pics of the front of the store. In the first pic, you can see all the beverages we sell. Also in the refrigerator, we sell pizza dough and half gallons of milk. The second pic is our coffee station. Customers serve themselves when it comes to the coffee. And under the coffee station, as you can see, are our stuffed breads, which are a big seller at the bakery. The third picture shows the ice cream. The ice cream is the main reason we are open till 11 at night. And it just happens to be that there's a mini golf course across the street from the bakery, so a lot of people come in for ice cream after when they're done there. Next, this is some of the equipment we use to make or clean the products in the bakery. Sorry. The first pic shows the two mixers we use to make the dough for the bread and donuts. The second pic shows the grill and deep fryer we use to make our sandwiches and other fried food. The third pic is our deck oven and our conventional oven that we use to bake everything off. The last pic is our sink and cleaning area. This area has 3 different faucets to wash stuff, which in summer we use very frequently because everything has to stay cleaned all the time. This slide shows only some of the inventory used in the bakery. The first pic is the sandwich refrigerator where we keep eggs, meats, cheeses, and vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, onions, etc. This refrigerator must stay stocked at all times so when we are busy we don't have to go searching for everything in the back refrigerator. The second pic is our inventory in the freezer. We don't make everything in the bakery, so a lot of the stuff comes frozen from our suppliers, which we then bake off in the mornings. I have to go in the freezer daily to make sure we have enough stuff for the next day. The last pic is the flour used. Sorry, the last pic is the flour used for the bread and donuts, and also the sugars and cake mixes we use. Each bag is 50 pounds, and we go through these very quickly. Dawn, which is a supplier, is one of our main suppliers, but not just the only one. We have plenty more, but he is, like I said, the main one. Sorry. The first pick is a bill they bring. The first pick is a bill they bring us while they're delivering, which I go through to make sure nothing is missing, everything's there. But sometimes there's ripped bags or something got sent back, so I check that. And then the second pick is just the delivery truck. I thought it was a nice pick, so I included it. Donuts are one of our main sellers and a big part of the bakery. Our slogan for the bakery is even best Joe donut on the planet. So I figured I'd add some pics of the donut production. The first pic shows the beginning process where we shape 4-pound balls of dough into donuts. We put the balls in the press that cuts them up evenly into individual pieces where we then transfer each one of the individual pieces on a screen, ready to fry. The second pic shows the next step, which is to fry the donuts. That is our deep fryer, and that's the little operation we have to fry them. And then the last pic is where we take the fried donuts to that station, and we either fill, glaze, or put frosting on them. That's just, and then the bottom right there is like all the jelly and all the other like stuff, the fillings we use. And then in short, that is our donut process. The bakery is very old-fashioned. What I mean by that is that there isn't a lot of technology involved. In fact, this summer we just made a website for the bakery for the very first time. On the website, as shown, you can see where we are located, our phone number, our menu with prices, our hours, and a photo gallery of the bakery and some of our products. In the future, we plan on including more technology in the bakery so we can be more efficient. And that concludes my job tour. That's basically all there is to Ferrers Island Bakery. We try to make people happy with our food, and if you're ever on Long Beach Island, I hope you have time to stop in.